Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I bake eggless recipes. So let's get started. Today's recipe is eggless lemon cream cheese cake, which is a delightful recipe which combines the zesty lemon flavor with the creamy richness of cream cheese in our cake base, while the whipped cream and the lemon curd adds a tangy and a refreshing taste to your cake. It's perfect for any occasion. In a bowl, take 25 grams of sugar. Add half tablespoon of lemon zest and mix them together by rubbing between your fingers. This gives more flavor. Now add 28 ml of oil. Use any flavorless oil you like. Mix it with the help of a hand whisk till the sugar is completely dissolved. In a glass, take 35 ml of milk, add 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar, mix it and keep aside for 10 minutes. This is our homemade buttermilk. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the wet ingredients and mix it. Now add 30 grams of cream cheese and mix it so that it is well incorporated. Now add the dry ingredients starting with 45 grams of all-purpose flour, maida and salt. Mix it with the spatula and add the prepared buttermilk and mix it. Do not overmix the batter. Mix until just till no flour is visible. Transfer the batter to the pre-lined baking tin. Here I am using a 5-inch pan. Spread the batter to all the edges and smooth out the top surface. Now tap the tin on the counter a couple of times to help release any trapped air bubble and bake this in a preheated oven at 170 C for 7 to 10 minutes. Once baked, let it cool down in the pan itself, then cool completely on a wire rack. Trim the edges, then slice it into two halves. I prepared this cake base in a sheet form. So I haven't added any baking soda or the baking powder. But if you wish to add some, then I'll mention the measurement in the description box below. Especially if you're making an eggless recipe. Also, while mixing your batter, keep in mind that you do not overmix your batter. Mix only until you see that there is no flour visible. Then pour the batter into your baking tin. Tap it a few times onto the counter to help release any extra air bubbles that gets trapped in and bake it in a preheated oven. Now for the frosting. In a bowl, take 100 grams of whipped cream. In it, add 70 grams of lemon curd and fold it gently into the whipped cream. You can find the recipe of my eggless silky lemon curd by clicking on the top right corner or through the link in the description box. You can adjust the quantity of the lemon curd in your frosting according to your liking. Just taste it, and if you feel like that it could use a little bit of more lemon curd, then add it and adjust it according to your own preference. Please give a video a thumbs up if you have liked it. Also tell me in the comment how did you like the video or how can I improve it more. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell icon so that you can get notified each time I post a new recipe. Now let us assemble our cake. I am going to place half of the sponge sheet and on it pipe my whipped cream lemon curd frosting. Now over the frosting, place the second half of the sponge and continue to pipe the frosting. Lastly, grate some lemon zest all over and refrigerate. Our eggless lemon cream cheesecake is ready to serve. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.